It's a new 2023 BMW X5. When it's up to you, you get the most space, finest luxury, and best view. Take charge of the road in this X5. And with features like these, every drive's a pleasure. Automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, streaming audio, memory head restraint settings, cabin preconditioning, front and rear parking sensors, and intercooled turbo i6 engine. Built for those who don't compromise on quality or driving pleasure. Built to be a BMW. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Welcome to Bill Jacobs BMW. Call, click, or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 2495 Aurora Avenue in Naperville, Illinois.